Hey guys, come with me as I go cook some more easy bake product for my tomorrow's appointment. One thing about me, once I love something, I'm definitely going to buy more of it. You bet. This is to let you know that the easy bake product is a need. Girl, you have to buy some, you have to use some. Hey guys, good morning. Today is kind of a big day because my day is packed. Well, I have a bride today. I have 2 clients today, and I have to be a mom too. I have to do school runs, and I have to attend the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Pressed launch event. So I'm kind of anxious today, but yeah, let's do my makeup. So I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation in gingerbread. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. It was only right for me to use the Huda Beauty products. I mean, it needs no introduction and it's that good, so why not? So here's me using all of Huda Beauty's products. I knew I had to do my makeup at this time at 5 a.m. in the morning because there was absolutely no way I would have been able to do my makeup later in the day. I even had to make my hair at 11 p.m. the night before with Hair by Kenny. I mean, I had a bride, I had 2 clients and the event. Oh my god, absolutely no way there will be time for me to do my makeup. So this was my only chance. Well, I couldn't continue recording because I was obviously running late. I had to prepare my baby for school, and here we are heading to school. So guys, I am doing school runs with a full beat and my hair well laid. Oh my god, this seems strange. Yeah, because it's not usual. So would you like me to always look like this every morning? Okay, but I can't look like this every morning now, you know. This is just for special occasions. I dropped my baby at school and straight to my bride. My expected time of arrival was 9 o'clock. I arrived at location, packed up my stuff, and off we're in her home to do her makeup. She asked not to take pictures, so we would always respect our clients' decisions. My second client didn't want me taking pictures as well, and of course we would definitely respect our clients' decisions. And here I am just waiting for my car, and here I have arrived at the location as well as the venue for the biggest launch. I got in and did some workers' makeup. Everything was perfect. Used Huda Beauty's products, of course. This is us backstage doing BTS, and everything was looking good. Telling my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his words, telling my whole life with his song, killing me softly with his song. After Glam, I was still able to attend the event because there was absolutely no way I would have missed this event, guys. It was so good. I had a wonderful time, man. The entire Huda team nailed this event, and I cannot overemphasize how grateful I am to have been invited. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can